So we'll have a net holder and a bucket person. And people who are holding the bucket, you're just going to fill the bucket with water up to this fill line. There's like a fill line inside of here, right here, if you can see it. And you'll just fill it up to there with water. You'll just invert the net and just rinse the net in here, and then we'll bring it up and then we'll see what we find. Okay. And I also brought the leaf packs today. So as you can see, we have the leaf packs. So we will be making our own leaf packs. This is a perfect place to do it instead of an auditorium. So we can make the leaf packs and take them with you if you like. All right. So who wants to be a net holder in the stream? I will. Okay. So you can be a net holder. Okay. So you can grab a net just as you're heading out. And who wants to have the bucket? Who wants to be a bucket? You're going to be a bucket person. I'll be a bucket person too. Okay.
He has something. He needs something to do right there.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. You want to be a bucket person?
He's a bucket person.
Or you just want
Yeah, he looks like a bucket person.
He looks like a bucket person.
Yeah.
So we'll have you to get a bucket then.
We need
and
kickers.
yes, there's a third bucket. Or the netter's kicker.
There you go. See what I'm saying?
Okay, that's got a handle on that one. I want one with a handle.
I'll picky bucket picker. How do you do that?
I don't want the reject one. This is a hazard. You see that edge? See, that could cut me. And then I'll be messed up. See?
I will take this.
Man.
I will take this one. I will also do
so he'll
some
shut up.
collections too.
Are the netters also kickers?
So the netters, you can be kickers if you want. If you're able to angle yourself correctly and just, kick into the net, yeah, you can do that. Okay. Because I'll be doing that too.
You just want to get a kick out of this.
Okay.
Get a kick out of this.
Now, so we can either go, it's probably better if we go to this.
Where it's running.
Where it's running.
Yeah.
I've been down here before, and I didn't find too much. I was very disappointed. So, but we'll just go down here and